So it's a crisp fall morning and we're headed out to the farm to look at a car and possibly borrow an engine stand from Doug. So ripping in the blue truck because that's the best way to head down Clover Valley Road.
Even if this holds together, holy crap. Some territoire out here.
It gets pretty potholy out here. And you got stiff suspension, you feel like you're ejecting all the time.
Yep.
So what are we going to look at here?
An 88 Trans Am GTA.
Some boots on that wheel.
Ooh. Here are the boots. Here she be.
Got some IROC wheels on
I was gonna
there.
say, it's got some IROC rims, but, I mean, she's solid, which is weird. Oh, a little tree growing there.
These things are made of weird rubber, eh? They break down like crazy.
I thought it was fiberglass. It smells like victory. Smell it, but geez. Always a bonus. Oh. You said there's already a quick change fuel pump adapter?
I believe so.
Yep, there it is. The old quick change fuel pump.
Apparently, yeah, something's wrong with that fuel pump. It doesn't work or whatever.
I usually just gotta hit it. Oh, hey, it's got exhaust on it. A Ractive exhaust. I thought it was a 5-speed.
The interior looks like it's in pretty decent shape.
Oh, somebody turned the T-roofs into a solid roof.
I thought it was a T-roof car too, and then when I came out and I saw it, I was surprised. But you know what? That's luck, because from it sitting outside, you know what happens with T-roofs.
Oh yeah.
They leak like a sieve.
You've seen the dashboards in these cars, eh?
I don't know that I got...
Oh. Should have brought a booster. They all light up. It's like all digital, or well, not digital. It's just all LED, I guess.
And that middle section is reminiscent of KITT.
Well, that's the whole thing, right? Like, it's a chicken egg thing. Which came first, KITT or
Mr. Feeney?
Oh, Mr. Feeney always comes first. Oh! Oh my God, my mullet's growing.
Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. Huh. It's got an MSD in here and some blue highlights. The engine compartment doesn't look like it's too bad. Lots of crap all over it though. The nose cone is pretty solid still. What was the story with these engines though?
It's either a 305 or a 350.
No, but in terms of, there was something weird about the fuel injection.
Oh, that's better than the throttle body injection. This is the tune port, right? So people still don't go searching for it, but it's a lot better than it's been painted blue. But it's actually a multi-port, so it's the last step right before you get to the sort of coil on plug. But they were good.
All right.
And the OG rims are around here somewhere.
Yeah, they're over here. It's quite the combine. Old school.
Short box. Ooh, they're in good shape. All right, today's adventure is, I've decided I'm going to clean up this little 350 that we picked up off a friend of ours, and I'm going to eventually put it into the blue truck. You can see, someone did a great job painting this, but one of my favorite things so far that I've seen is that is one bent alternator and a very, very misaligned belt. So I don't know what happened here. I don't know when they pulled it out of the truck, if they bent it or what, but my guess is this bolt just got bent. So we'll fix that too, but it's all coming off anyway. Oh, wait, oh, That right there, that means it's fast and it leaks. Remember, keep those. There we go. Not a ton of life left in that. Those grooves feel pretty small. Now, I'm gonna do a time lapse as to when I have the stand mount on. So I will see you in a second. We can't miss this. We have to go down close. Your PVC plumbing solutions, very nice. It's coming off the top of the water pump. I'm guessing that went to a heater hose. Should probably pull the timing chain cover just to make sure we're not setting ourselves up for a fall immediately. I'm gonna do some stripping and then I'm gonna come back to the engine. I'm pretty happy with how that water pump spins. Doesn't seem to wiggle at all. The bearing feels good. Fuel pump we won't know until later. Looks new-ish though. This is all really, no, that's not gonna be good. They smashed that all up too. This was interesting. I figured out why that the old alternator was looking so bent up. This is what they had in holding the alternator bracket up. Piece of threaded rod. And that's how far, that's not even how far in it was. It was maybe 4 threads in. I took it out with my fingers. It was probably in about like this. So you can see, like there's nothing there. You can't do that. So we're getting cleaned up. Things are starting to look good. You can say it was gray, and then a primer gray, and then a different form of gray. But here's where it gets interesting. NGK plugs, V-power, I don't know what that means, but okay. And you know what, they all, you can sort of see them, you probably can't get them out of though. They all look identical as far as the way they're burnt. They're ram rich, but hey, that's better than lean, and they're all consistent. Hey, it was firing well. Except this. That says AC Delco. It is also completely stripped. Now, I'm gonna try to figure out a solution to get this out. Not sure what that one is yet, but it's probably going to involve hammering a socket on and hoping that it comes off. This is not a hammer in my hand. Well then, it was not as eventful as I thought it was going to be. Because this thing, you know what, it was probably behind the header. They couldn't get at it, so they just left it. Oh, and that's the piston that's at the top right now. This engine's 30 over. You want to see something cool? What? Oh, this is sort of a dumb luck moment here. Can you see that? Does it show up on camera? I don't know. But it says 30 over. Right in there. There, we tried. Let me get a full reading on that and see what's going on. So I found the part number. It is a oh, I already forgot it. P1534. piston, which is an Engine Tech 30 over piston. Now, I don't know if that's good or not, but hey, so we know the engine has been oversized. I'm going to set up so we can see if all of the valves move. Oh, there it goes. Don't like your oil pressure. I was worried about this one, but looks like it's moving okay. Oh, no, that's not stick. There we go. This side doesn't have as much oil in it as that side. Yeah, we're going. Not a lot of oil. Actually, none. They look good. So we definitely need to check the oil pressure on this engine when it gets up and going. This is much better. So I'm pretty sure I've got this in the exact wrong spot. So the oil will come out and drain there or hit one of the edges and just splash everywhere. And cool. Hey, wow. Made it right in the middle. Some bubbling, but no milk shaking so far, which is nice. Now, I think the last thing for the day is we're going to pull the oil pan. This one's a stud. Not sure why that is. Said my wife. No. Alright. Now, it has to be a 2-bolt thing. There's no way it's a 4. So I'll see what Not the most sludge in the world in there, but some. We have a 4-bolt main. Holy shit. No kidding. Cross-hatching still in the cylinders. Well, that's a happy little discovery there. All right. Come down for the view. So, we have a 4-bolt main here. I'll do this the right way. So this engine has definitely been gone through, which was obvious once we saw the pistons. So I don't know if you can catch the cross-hatching in the cylinders or not, but that all looks good. Let's go through and just kind of do a end cap wiggle test. Tiniest bit of movement on that one. Ooh, that one's got a bit. That one. I'll have to check to see how much play is allowable in there. Well, I guess it's about the same across all of them. I don't know if you can see the goo in there definitely did its job. Shh, like it's bad oil. There's a lot of metal flake in there. For now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe down that oil filter. Not that there's any oil in it. We'll put the oil pan back on, flip the block back over. Some good surprises on this one so far, which I'm stoked on. For now, I am gonna make like a broccoli and head out. Wait, that's not how it goes.